Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have three different products from Syncwire. On the left here we have a PD or power delivery 20-watt single port USB-C charger. In the middle we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And on the right we have the USB-C to Lightning charging and syncing cable. So we're going to go through, so we can give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we'll start off with the 20-watt single port USB-C charger. Inside the box you have your power brick, little user guide, and that's about it inside the box. Syncwire branding on one side. Here's an up close look at labeling. And here is the single port USB-C. And my outlet here. Plug it in. It does light up a little. The outer trim of it, hard to see, but let's go ahead and close the light. There you go. You can see that's lit up a little. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cables. We'll first take a look at the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. It's 6.5 feet at 2 meters. Power delivery of up to 100 watts and up to 20 volts, 5 amps. Here's the back of it. Even though it says charging cable, you can use this for data as well. And for data transfer, it's 480 megabits per second, or about 40 to 60 megabytes per second. Your user guide. Unravel this so you can see how long it is. And this cable is braided. And it is fairly long. So you can see it doesn't even fit in my screen, but it's long enough. And it does come with the Velcro, so you can wind up your cable. If you don't want it, you can remove it. So here is a look at the cable itself. Again, USB-C. Other side is USB-C as well. There is a plastic sticker on there, so you'll just remove that when you get it. Syncwire logo. And again, it is braided. And the cord and the plug is reinforced right here, so it won't come apart. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So right now it's plugged into the Syncwire. Here, smartphone. It's the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And it's fast charging. In here, I have my Lenovo laptop that uses USB-C to charge. So let me go ahead and show you. As you can see on the bottom here, it is charging. I'll remove it. Now it's unplugged, and you see that the plug icon disappears. Plug it back in again. There you go. So it does work with laptops, whether it's a Lenovo, which is a Windows, or your MacBooks. It'll charge your device. If you have any of the newer iPads that uses USB-C, you can charge those as well. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the USB-C to Lightning cable. So here is the USB-C to Lightning cable, and it's compatible with iPhones, iPads. It's 6.5 feet or 2 meters. And you can use this to charge, transfer data, and it's power delivery supported. So here is a list of all the compatible devices. So it goes all the way back to iPhone 6. I'm not an iPhone user, so I'm not sure exactly if iPhone 5s or any others are Lightning, but if it is, it's compatible. So you have a big range of iPads as well. It says iPod Touch, iPad, iPad Mini, iPad Airs, iPad Pro. So inside the box, warranty, user manual, and here is the cable. Same as the USB-C to USB-C. Same length, same type of cord. It's braided, nylon braided. You have your little strap to tie it all up, or you can remove it. Has a Syncwire, but instead of the logo, it has the full name. The plug and the cable is reinforced so it won't come out, won't bend. Here is the Lightning. This one here has the symbol, and it does have a protective cover, so you just remove that. But here is the Lightning port or plug. So let's go ahead and plug this in and connect it to our iPad Pro. So here, USB-C, Syncwire. So here I have my first gen iPad Pro. Plug it in, and it's charging. There you go. You can see that's charging. As mentioned, I don't have an iPhone, but it's charging the iPad Pro, no problems. So any Lightning capable devices will be able to charge with this cable. and you'll also be able to transfer data as well. Till next time, see ya.